Hey guys, Matt with Alligator Performance, and welcome back to another episode of the Alligator live truck build with Operation Snowflake. We've recently teamed up with N-Fab to install a set of their new EpYx drop-down style steps on this truck, and from the factory setup, they do have steps on it. Being the Sport, they're actually color matched and don't look too bad, but they're kind of basic and they don't have a lot of flair. So speaking of flair, let's check out these N-Fab steps. These steps are a steel construction with very wide face plates for the steps, so you have good control jumping in the truck and jumping out of it. The way that they're designed, they're not a tubular step or a Nerf bar or a Harley bar like a lot of their other series are, so it's able to suck up really nice with the body lines of the truck. It's finished with a nice powder coated texture finish, and of course includes their heavy duty brackets and their hardware kit. Make sure you follow this build on our YouTube channel along with our Facebook and Instagram pages as we continue to add parts leading up to the Alligator live truck build at the Ultimate Callout Challenge 2019.